Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, your friendly English teacher. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to my family. We'll learn useful English phrases and speaking skills while meeting my mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather, and uncle. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is my father, Amir. He works as a doctor and enjoys reading books. Repeat after me. This is my father, Amir. He is a doctor. Excellent.
Hi, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
This is my mother, Rayhan. She's an amazing cook and loves to spend time in the kitchen. Repeat after me. This is my mother, Rayhan. She loves to cook. Great job. Hello, everyone. I hope you enjoy learning English with Rayhan. This is my brother, Johnny. He's really into sports, especially basketball. Repeat after me. This is my brother, Johnny. He loves basketball. Perfect.
Hey guys. Have fun learning English with Johnny.
This is my sister, Isla. She's very creative and loves painting. Repeat after me. This is my sister, Isla. She enjoys painting. Great. Hi everyone. Keep learning and enjoy your English lessons. This is my grandfather, Joseph. He has a beautiful garden and loves gardening. Repeat after me. This is my grandfather, Joseph. He loves gardening. Excellent.
Hello, everyone. Happy to be part of your English learning journey.
This is my uncle, Abraham. He's very knowledgeable about history and loves sharing stories. Repeat after me. This is my uncle, Abraham. He loves history. Wonderful.
Hi there. Enjoy learning English with my amazing niece Alex.
Thank you for meeting my family today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some useful English phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these introductions with your own family and friends. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English learning content. Until next time, see you soon.